Alright, well, I hear a lot of crap about these coilovers, but we're gonna put them on and see what they're like, and I'll give you guys my full review of them. Towards yourself. That's what the packaging looks like. So we get you have your rears here. Quality is amazing actually for what the price is. This is like what, $350 for all this. You have your front here and your front here. Your two rears in the middle. You get your bushings, you know. But we're gonna jump right into this. We have a little customer service card. You know. But I'm telling you guys for the price. I mean, why not, you know, instead of paying like $1,000 for coilovers or even things in between that, you guys can, you know, get this for like half the price, like a quarter of the price. So I know a lot of guys are knocking this right now, and I just wanted to get it for myself and show you guys what the process would be like, because I don't see any other, you know, 13, 14 Mustangs running these, or I don't see any other videos online about them, so why not just take it upon myself and make one for you guys and see and give you guys my best example. These are also the adjustables. So, it's hard to do this with one hand, it's just heavy. Okay, these are the adjustables, adjustable dampening, and they do have a model that is non-adjustable, but I decided to go and get the adjustable because why not, you know, it's a few extra bucks. But let's jump right into it. All right guys, I've laid everything out. You have your fronts and you have your rears. With that, you have your sway bar links here, adjustable wrenches, your bushings, and that's about all. I like to point out that this kit does not come with instructions, so you just kind of got to piece it together as long as you go, as you know, as far as you go. I think I might look up a YouTube video of how to install this, but I know to install the fronts. I've never done a rears before, so that's gonna be a, you know, to finesse that, but I'm pretty sure it's not that hard. So I'll keep you guys posted on my journey. It's gonna be hard to record and film at the same time, but I'll make it work. MT82s, right? They have a really notchy filling. So what this is transmission fluid. I heard this stuff is great. I got it from OP Mustang, as you can see. You get a couple stickers. I heard this stuff is great for your car. It actually helps with the notchiness. I have an MGW shifter in my car. It even comes with instructions, which is great because your boy needs to read some shit. And the bottle comes with the bottle. It also comes with the pump, the catch, jacked up, guys, and the wheels are off. Now we're gonna start. Well, we're gonna start installing these, and I'll be right with you. All right, guys. Sorry for the lighting. I know it's a little dark. It's nighttime now. So I got the fronts in. Oh man, it's bad. I don't know if you can see it. Let me see if I can. So there you go. Not too bad. I found some instructions online. It's pretty straightforward. I mean, it's a little tedious adjusting them before getting them in. Would be the easiest way. I guess when you put the wheels on, you adjust them as you go to your ride height. But this should be stock ride height if I'm not mistaken. So we'll find out. That little orange tab is the adjusters. And also you can adjust the camber. You can see in there, which I did already. I did adjust them a little bit, you know, positive because I am lowering the car. So I'm gonna get the rears done. I already started. Let me get back here. I already started it, got the sway bar off. As you can see, I'm sorry for the lighting. And we get the springs out, then I'm sorry, remove the shock. I don't know what just happened there. And then you go into the trunk here and you peel this back. Let's see if I can get it with one hand. Okay, there we go. It's horrible lighting. Good lord. And then you undo that and it slides right out. I'll be back with you guys when I get done and show you the final result. All right, guys, it's the next day. This is what the front looks like. I showed you guys yesterday. I just finished the rears. And here you go. This is what it looks like. You got your springs with the adjusters, your shocks as well. If you guys do this, you should get new bump stoppers. I don't have any with me now, but this is your bump stopper if you don't know what it is. I just ordered some, so they should be in here shortly. I hope it comes before the weekend. The shot looks exactly the same. I'll show you guys just anyway. And here you go. I got new wheels as well. I'm not putting the stocks back on. Those are 20-inch wheels, so we're gonna see how that goes. I'm going to back it out, and I guess, you know, here goes nothing, right? I already opened the wheels, but oh my god, this is beautiful. I'm really happy with these. I don't know if you guys can really tell, but oh my god, they're beautiful. 20-inch wheels. I believe this is the rear. This is 20 by 10. The fronts are 20 by 9. So we should have some good fitment. I'm hoping. Here's hoping, but I'll take these out and show you what they look like on the car. Bro, oh my god.